Hello everyone. Let's start with the first part of the mole conversion calculations. So today I'm gonna show you how to convert moles into grams and grams into moles. So for this one, uh, I always advise my kids to do the calculations in three columns. This is very important. It's the important part. So in the first column, you will start with the number given to you in the question. Given value in question. Given value in question. And the third column, what you need to find. What you need to find. What you need to find. And in the center, middle column, this is your conversion factor. Conversion factor from known information. From known information in the form of 1 mole. Known information. So these are your three columns. If you work in the form of three columns, you will never ever be wrong with the calculation. The first thing I'm going to show you here about the conversion factor, that's very important. So let's start with the water molecule. Let's say, what do you know? What do you know about the water in terms of 1 mole? I can write 1 mole of water molecule is equal to, in the form of number, 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 water molecules. This is my first known information. What else we know? I know 1 mole of water molecule is equal to 18 gram. 18 gram is the molar mass. 18 gram of water molecule. So I said we're going to start with the moles into grams. So it means I'm going to use this known information, 1 mole of water molecule and their standard molecular mass, molar mass. If it's an atom, you directly use the periodic table and figure out the atomic mass of element in the given periodic table. But if it's a molecule, we have to first find the molar mass. So before you move on to the mole conversion calculation, you should practice how to find the molar mass of any given molecule. So your focus will be this one for your middle column, conversion factor. So let me show you the example. So how to convert moles into grams or grams into moles, vice versa. So grams. So let's say this is your question. How many moles are, let's say, I'm going to start with the easy one, but the steps are the same. 88 grams of carbon dioxide molecule. This is your question. So here, so what is given to you here? 88 grams of carbon dioxide. What do you want to find? I want to find the moles. And you know your conversion factor. So first of all, you should write, what do you know? What do you know? What do you know for carbon dioxide? I know 1 mole of carbon dioxide molecule is equal to 44 grams. So here, mole on the left side, grams on the right side. All right, let's go to our three columns. So I said start with the value given to you in the questions. What is given to you? 88 grams are given to me. What do you want to find? I want to find moles. Okay. So now we will change our known information. Use the multiplication sign. Known information in the middle column. All right. So whatever the unit you want to cancel, always go as a denominator, keep in mind. And whatever the unit you need should always be at the top, means numerator. So you want to cancel the grams. So you will use 44 grams as the denominator. You need answer in moles. Put 1 mole at the top. Here we go. This is very important rule. Same unit should be cancelled. They never ever multiply. If you're multiplying your same unit, it means you're doing something wrong. You are using your known information or your conversion factor wrong. So check rest. We know what to do. So how many moles we have? We have 2 moles of carbon dioxide. That's your question answer. So let me show you one more example. Here we go. So same thing. First, always write down what do you know. Then it's very easy to figure out which conversion factor you want to use. Let's say this is your question. Let's do the different way. Let's say you need to find uh, how many grams of calcium carbonate are present in, let's say, 5 moles. So this time what is given to you? 5 moles are given to you. What do you want to find? You want to find the grams. Same thing. What do you know? What do you know about calcium? What do you know? What do you know for calcium carbonate? So I know 1 mole with the grams. 1 mole of calcium carbonate. What is the molar mass? Is equal to 100 grams of calcium carbonate. Here we go. So 100 grams are for 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Now use your 3-column system. Very important. So first column, value given to you in the question. So what is given to you? 5 moles are given to you. You will write 5 moles in the first column. Then write down the third column first. What do you want to find? You want to find grams of calcium carbonate. Here we go. The middle column is your conversion factor by using your known information, the standard in terms of 1 mole. So here, same thing. So you want to cancel the moles and you need answer in grams. So it means left hand side will be your denominator. So you will write 1 mole at the bottom, calcium carbonate, and grams at the top. Here we go. So moles cancel. So how many grams are there? 500 grams of calcium carbonate. So this one is the example for your ionic compound. Calcium carbonate is ionic compound formula unit. So let me give you one more example for your atom. Let's take how many moles are present in 62 grams of phosphorus. So this is now atomic example. Same thing, what do you know? And one more thing, in chemistry, we are allowed to use the whole numbers, okay? You can round off the number, atomic mass, as well as when you're round off the atomic mass, obviously your molar mass, molecular mass will be rounded off. So what do you know? Start with what do you know? I know 1 mole of phosphorus, use the periodic table, that is equal to 31 grams of phosphorus. Here we go. This is my known information. Now make your 3 columns. The value given to you in the question will go in the first column. You will write 62 grams of phosphorus in the first column. What do you want to find? I want to find moles of phosphorus. Use your multiplication sign. and change your known information into conversion factor. So now you wanna cancel the grams and you wanna find the moles. It means this right hand side will be denominator. You will use 31 grams of phosphorus denominator, and you will use 1 mole of phosphorus at the top. Here we go, grams out. And how many moles you have? 2 moles of phosphorus. All right, thank you, everyone. So in the next video I will show you moles into atoms or molecules and vice versa. Thank you.